Prank on husband when eating sunflower seeds go wrong.
Damn, got this thing in my mouth. God damn. I could swallow that thing. Damn, I like to swallow this thing. It's in my mouth with all this sunflower seeds. What you doing? Don't be getting video shit. Helpful? Damn.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Sheila and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, Husband and Wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over.